Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my February Ipsy / BoxyCharm box. Super excited about this one because I feel like the last few that I've gotten have been really good with what's been inside. So I'm very excited to see what is in here. Before we get started though, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see me unbox this month's Ipsy box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, as usual, I don't know what's in here. This is as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. We're doing this together. So the only thing I've already done is removed the tab that comes on here, but that's it. I did not peek, I promise. So we're gonna unbox this together. So opening this up, obviously on the top it just says Ipsy, and then over here on the tab, Glam Bag, BoxyCharm Icon Box, Refreshments. And then opening it up, you have the Instagram handle and then like their other social medias. Ipsy again. And then we have the little newsletter with the QR code to scan to see what is inside the box. So let's do that really quick just to get it set up. Okay, so what do we have in this month's box? I am just going to... I think I'm gonna go in order from what is like on the website first, so that way I'm not like spoiling anything for myself when I'm like looking and scrolling. So the first thing on here is Context Skin Liquid Lacquer in Tears Are Falling. So let me find that really quick. Here it is. So this is a liquid lipstick, I'm assuming. Okay, I'm actually wearing a color similar to this on my lips right now, so this might work. So it says valued at $24. It's a liquid lipstick. This may be the most perfect matte lipstick ever. With full coverage pigmentation and a comfortable creamy consistency, this formula is impressively long lasting without the dryness. Tears Are Falling is a dark mauve shade you'll want to wear every day. Okay, that sounds very beautiful. So this doe foot applicator is ginormously long. Do you guys see that? That's probably a good thing, but let me just swatch on the back of my hand really quick just so I could see the color. Sorry, my cat is going crazy. This is a beautiful like mauvey brown color. I feel like this is gonna look really good on a lot of different skin tones. I do have something on my lips right now, but I just wanna put some on top just so I can see what the color looks like on me. I actually love this color. I think it's really pretty. Good thing I'm wearing like a little bit more makeup on my face today because I feel like I wouldn't wear this lip color myself if I just had like a very subtle makeup day, but I do think this is really beautiful and I do think it's gonna suit a lot of different people. So love this. It feels really like thin and soft and creamy, so I love that. And it's just gorgeous. So anyways, next up we have KVOSSNYC Bronze Beauty Powder Bronzer in MIDTOWN. So let's see what that is all about. Oops. Just spoiled one for myself, sorry guys. So here is this one. I think I've had KVOSS in one of my past BoxyCharm boxes, and I'm sorry if I keep saying BoxyCharm. I know it's Ipsy now, but I think I just got so used to BoxyCharm that it won't get out of my head. So here is this. I think the packaging is very like simple. The packaging itself doesn't feel like super sturdy or high quality. Like it does feel a little bit more like plasticky, but that is okay. So this one says it's valued at $42. So that's a little bit tough with the packaging. I feel like this could have been a little bit more thought out, but sometimes simplicity is the best thing too. It's full sized. Again, it's a bronzer. It says it's never been easier to feel like a bronzed beauty all year round. This lightweight powder bronzer is silky, light, and blendable, helping you achieve a warm, natural looking finish. I'm gonna swatch this. Okay. So here it is in the packaging. I just have to take this like film off of the top. I'll come back to that later. I just want to touch a little bit. It feels really, really soft when I dip my finger into it, and I'm just gonna swatch it a little bit on the back of my hand right next to this liquid lipstick. That's definitely on the warmer side. I do like warm tones, but I feel like when it comes to like face makeup, my skin tone's a little bit more neutral. Like it's not super warm, it's not super cool. So I don't know how like good this would look on me on its own. I have makeup on already, so I'm just gonna put this like on top of whatever I already have. But just to see, it has a lot of fallout, which I don't mind, but just in case you do. Okay, layered on top of the bronzer that I already had, I think it looks really beautiful. Like I feel like it's giving me a little more warmth. It added a little more depth, more color. So I feel like it gave my cheeks like a very bronzy contoured look in a really good way. So I really like this, and it was super soft and not like patchy or anything going on. Like it looks really smooth. So I'm excited to keep playing with that one. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Next up, we have YC Collection Liquid Highlighter in Creamsicle. So this goes for $16. It's full sized, it's a highlighter, and it says, whether you're going for a subtle glow or a full-on glazed donut vibe, this highlighter is for you. Infused with hyaluronic acid for a boost of hydration and narcissus flower extract for a soothing effect. It's perfect for accentuating your best features. With its easy to blend formula, you can wear it alone or mix it with your favorite foundation or moisturizer for a soft focus effect. Plus the addition of squalene helps to keep your skin barrier strong and healthy. I love that brands are like incorporating, sorry guys, my cat is going insane in the back if you hear anything. But I love that these brands are like incorporating like skincare products just in products in general now that are good for your skin. So I'm really, really liking the sound of this. Let's see what this looks like. Did I tell you the price? $16? I think I did. So that's a good price. It feels like plasticky again, like it's not like glass or anything. It's very, very like light. But I do like that you could see the product inside. This doe foot applicator is tiny. I do wish it was a little bit bigger, especially if you're putting this on your face, so you could cover a little bit more area. But I do want to see, this is like pigmented though. I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh. This is really, really pretty. I'm gonna take, what brush do I want to use? I'm gonna use this angled brush because I like this for all face products. So I think I'm just gonna do a little right here like this and then try to blend it out. I'm gonna do some on the other side, but I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out instead of a brush and see if that makes any difference. I don't love the fingertip method with this. I feel like it made it look really like splotchy. It wasn't blending very smooth at all. So I don't love doing it with a finger. I feel like with the brush, it was a lot easier to blend it out and quicker. And the amount of like highlight that it's giving me is really, really beautiful. Like it's not crazy, crazy beaming, but it's not like subtle whatsoever either. So I do really like that. Only thing I don't love about it is I feel like it did kind of move my like bronzer blush products that I had underneath a little bit, which I don't love. Like I would rather it like blend and like melt in versus like wiping away the other products. So I'm not so sure about that. I'm gonna keep playing around with this one and keep you guys posted on like how it's working for me. But so far I'm intrigued, but I need to like learn it a little bit more, if that makes sense. And then next up we have Huda Beauty Glowish Luminous Pressed Powder in shade 5 Medium. Do I have this already? I don't know, guys. This one sounds really familiar to me, so let me see really quick. Here is this. So it's a pressed powder. Oh no, I don't think I have this. Okay. Whew. I really like Huda Beauty's packaging. I think this is like, it's plasticky, so it doesn't feel super like luxurious or expensive, but it's very unique. Like, I feel like this stands out so much. I think it's really cute. It's really creative. Let me see. This goes for $33. I do almost wish it had a mirror on the top for being $33. It's full sized. It's a powder. Coverage without the cake. That's what this smoothing pressed powder is all about. It's infused with antioxidants and skin-loving ingredients like Damascus rose oil, vitamin E, and red bell pepper extract to help give your skin a lightweight, natural-looking glow without settling into fine lines. So that sounds nice. Let me take a little face brush, like a little fluffy one, just so we could see. It feels really buttery soft when you touch it. And I'm just gonna, yeah, you can't even see it. Like, it blends in really nicely with my skin tone. It's hardly, like, you could hardly tell it's there. And it looks really nice and smooth, but I do have lines on my hands and it looks like it's like settling into them. So I don't know about like not settling into my lines. I am gonna take a little bit onto this brush though and see what it does for me. Obviously, I have product on my face right now, so you're not gonna get like a real look at that, but it's something. I think the color match of this is perfect. It feels like silk on my face. Like, wherever I put it, it feels really like silky soft, which I love. I can't tell if it did anything for me though, because I have other products underneath it. I'm definitely gonna have to keep playing with this because I'm really interested in what this is gonna do for me. So far though, I really love the feeling. I love the color match and I think it's really cute and creative. So I have high hopes. I will keep you guys posted. And then last but not least, we have, this is a new brand to me. It's called malin+goetz. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. It's a recovery treatment oil. So this goes for $82. Oh my God, that is expensive. It's 1 ounce full sized. It's a face oil. It says this botanical blend is a fast absorbing miracle, helping you bid adieu to those pesky fine lines and wrinkles. The ingredient lineup is truly top notch. It has evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils for hydration, grapeseed and rose hip oils to help improve skin tone and bring the glow, and geranium and borage oils to help keep things balanced. And then it just says massage 2 or 3 drops into your clean, dry skin. I think that sounds really cool. Let me see what this looks like. I've never heard of this brand. I'm really interested. I might go look them up after this and see like what they're all about. Here it is in the bottle. It's like this like tinted blue glass. I feel like this is very unique looking. It almost looks like something you would use in like a science class. It's really cool. Let me see if I could just squeeze some out onto the back of my hand. I want to see how it feels. Like 1 drop. That's all I'm gonna do. It's runny for sure. Let me like. It feels nice. Like it definitely feels like an oil, but it's thin at the same time. Like, you know how sometimes oils are really like thick and gross feeling? This is not giving off that kind of a feeling. It's just like thin. Feels like it's like sinking into my skin. It's making it look really glowy where I put it right here, and it smells good. Like, it smells like an organic facial. Like, if you guys have ever gone to get one of those, it smells just really like clean and organic in the best way. I love that kind of a smell. So I really like this. I feel like it did absorb really fast into my skin, and it's super soft. Doesn't feel greasy or gross, so I'm very intrigued. I'm gonna have to try this tonight once I take my makeup off. So I'm excited about this, you guys. Obviously, I can't give you more than that with this one because it's a face oil and I have makeup on. So I'll keep you posted on all of these, but I think overall this was a really good box. I'm really excited to keep playing with all these products and see what they keep doing for me. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you guys got in your boxes, if we got the same things, if we got different things. Let me know which of these 5 products you guys are more interested in or most interested in, because I'm curious about that too. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.